Join for paper. How are you all? Welcome to the channel. Welcome. In case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Don't forget also to join the VIP group. To join is the 067 77 29 841. 067 77 29 841 is a phone number to join. So let's go. Join the VIP, joining 100 rand once off, and also another group is more than that, a VIP group and the other group. So I have two groups which have a different price to become a member, and it's a once off, so and it's cheap. So let's be in one group so that we can discuss the matter of winning numbers every day. All right, so let's start. All right, so Mega Million, this is Mega Million with 4 numbers with 1 rand. With 1 rand, they pay 100k. Then with 3 numbers with 3 numbers with 1 rand, they pay 4k. 2 numbers with 1 rand, they pay 190. So guys, it's a big win if you win this one. So we will take that's a number plus or minus. If you add, we have a 64. If you do minus, we have a 30. 30 comes as 3. If you add is the 64, which came, if you do minus, is a 58, which never showed up. If you add, we have 70. If we do minus, is 58. So 58 or 70. That is Mega Million. Mega number. Alright. So Mega Million on the 22 of May. The first number is 70, the second number is 58. So this is a method that we used last time on Tuesday. We're going to use it today on Friday. Again, let's move. The first and the last number. This one and that one, that one and that one. All right. 47 minus 17 is equal to 30. Then when you take a 30, you do plus or minus 10, plus or minus 20, plus or minus 30, and so on. So this is what they are using now. So for example, here I'm gonna get 51. Okay, let's say 30. 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. If you do if you do plus 30, it's gonna be 60, which came as a 6, right? Okay, let's move to here so that we know. This one, when you do minus, it's gonna be 61 minus 17 is equal to 44. Now we have a 44 plus or minus 10 is 34 and 24 plus 10 is 54 and 64. You can see that there is 64. Yeah, so that is how it is. Let's move. All right, so here we have 51 plus or minus 10 is 41, right? And 31, and then 61 if you add. So 61 also is sitting there, then 51, 41, 31, right? So that is the number, right? Even 21, but we luckily 21 might be sitting in nearby way. What is it? It's in nearby here. 21 is sitting in there. So yeah, but 51 Plus or minus 10 is 41, 31, and 21, and 61. Family of 1, we can pick only 2 numbers from here at least. As we go, we will know which number to go with. Let me just write down. 51 will give us 41, 21, and 31, and 61. Now, let's move. If we come here, we have 64 and 17. 64 minus 17 is equal to 47. Now, let's move over 47. 47. It's going to give us 57 and 67. Then here in the front, they are the back, they are just 20 at the back. And then in the front, we have 27, 37, and 17, which already dropped. So we're going to focus on this phone number, 27, 37, 27, 37, 57, 67. That is the number which are coming from family of that one, 7. So guys, this is 47 and 51, giving us those numbers that they will be family of 1 and the family of 7 playing Mega Million. All right, so let's move up. Let's move. Now, it's time to use our usual method, the last number plus 75. This one, it's going to give us, if we say 175 plus 47, plus 75, plus 75, it's 122. Then you use 12, you use 22 plus or minus the first number, which was 23, and the 21 already played, so 23 came, guys. So let's add 61 plus 75, it is 136. So we have a 13, we have a 36, right? And a 35, 37. So this number did not drop because we expect 13 and 36, because 35 already dropped and the 37. So it didn't want to drop, guys. So let's go. 64 plus 75 is equal to 139. Then 139 with a 13, 39, 38, and 40. So that code alone is 139. 39 can come as 36, remember? 36, 39, or 63. Then we move over 13 as it is, and we move over 13 or 31. We move also with 38 and 40. 40 can be 4 to come as a bonus ball. We can try bonus 4, guys. Bonus 4. Try bonus 4. All right, so this code should give us at least 2 numbers. 139, it's gonna be 36, 39, 63. Only one number, 13, 31. Among 38, 40, or 4, they can play even 36, bonus 4, 39, bonus 4, 36, bonus 4, and so on. So let's go. All right, that is a Mega Million, which we weigh. All right, so the other method is take the first number and they multiply each other. It's been long since I used it. I almost forgot to teach you guys this method. 17 times 32 is equal to 544. All right, 544. Then when you multiply 70, then you multiply 7, it's gonna be 38080. So it's gonna be like 38 and 8, 38. Right? No, I think, oh no, sorry. You added the numbers together. It's 17 plus 32 equal to and times 70. You add the first number, then you multiply. Sorry, I almost made a mistake. You're gonna take the first two numbers, 17 plus 32, then you multiply by 70. Only after getting the answer, let's put like this. Then the answer gave us was 3430. You can see the whole number in the method is 3. 3 came and 34 or 43 or 30. So 34 jumped to come here. 3 or 30 and it came here. 34 came there, guys. Are you sure that you don't see the answer? 10 plus 26 multiply by 70. All right, so we have a 260, sorry, 36 and 70 is 25 20. 20 is 22, first number 22, 24 and 25, 50. Those also could be the number, but the most important number there is 25 and 22. 225 and 22. Oh, sorry. All right, so 25 and 22. Oh. 25 and 22 and the 2 as teeth. All right, so that will be also for the code 2520, which is 2225, especially 2 and 22. Even 20 is there, the way, but 20 will always be there because the total number is 70. So if we say 14 multiplied by 75 is equal to 300. Sorry. 17 times 23, 17 plus 23 is equal to 40 times 70 is equal to 328, and the 2 zeros at the back. 28, they did not play this 28, but if you check here, there is also 56, which is which is 28 times 2, because there were 2 0 here. They multiplied it by 2. But here, 28 still can drop, because if you remember correctly, this one gave us 3430. The fourth number was 34 and the 43, right? Even 3 as it is, 3 can be 6 or 3 or 6. The division and multiplication of the whole number. Now our 28 is there, and then the 28 is what? They multiply by 2 to get to 56, meaning that the pending number is 28. In fact, 28 is a pending number. 28, and this 20 also can mean that it's a 48. 20, they mean 48, guys. Write down 48 and 28. 28 and 48, you can write down those numbers. Yeah, good. All right, so meaning that this code giving us 25, 22, 25, we can add the 22 and the 22, 25 and the 2 to play the two numbers. From when you add 28 and the 48, the two number can drop, because if they want to stop the strategy working, they will use both codes. They will use this code here and that code there. They combine them together, then they create money. All right. So that is how it is, and this is a Mega Million. Another way to win Mega is to add all the numbers together. When they say 40 plus 77 plus 61 plus 3. It's equal to 181. When I take a 181, I multiply by 75 is the total number of the draw plus 5, which is 1,357. The answer is 1,357 and 5. This is the code, guys. If you add is 10, 17, 21. The answer was 21, right? So because the 5 is the whole today, it's going to give us 10. Because the 5 is the whole today, it's going to give us 10. The same way in our code, the 2, 5, a 2, we can have a 4. No excuse, right? So we can have a 4. 4 can also drop as the bonus ball because of 3, 4, 6, 9 and move together. 3, 4, 6, 9, they move together. So we can have a bonus 4, or it can even drop as a main set or drop as 40. So for today, what is our code look like? Let's check our code. Our code is 26 plus 10 plus 34 plus 56 plus 64 plus 60 is equal to 196. Multiplied by 75 is equal to 14. 14, 7, 0 and 0. This is 14, 47 and 17, even a 24 or 48. 24, 42, 48, then 14, 17, 47 and 41. So that is also this number coming from here. So the hot number there is this is 0. This 0 is a hot number there. The 0 is what? The 0 is the hot number. So hot number 24 plus 24 is equal to 48. The same way they did it to 5, 75, they took 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. We're going with 48 again. It's more. So that is the method. We have many strategies to win UK 49. Sorry, Mega Million. All right, to win Mega Million. All right. Something I'm checking. Yeah, 24. Remember to play 24, 42, and 48. So especially 24 because 24, 34, and 4. They keep coming like. Now we have a 34. 24 is the one which is not there. 24 and 4, right? On this lotto, they like to say 24, 34, 4. So 4 and the 24 are the one which have a higher probability than 48, guys. All right, so 36 plus 34 plus 56 plus 64 plus 6 is equal to 196 multiplied by 75 is equal to 140 divided by 6 is equal to 2450. You can see 24 again here, guys. 24 and 42 and 28 are the whole number. 24 can come as a 42 as well, né? Don't hesitate to play the numbers, which are 41. Yeah, thank you so much. I already chosen which number gonna play in. I already choose. I did choose already. Bonus 4, ne? We decided on a bonus 4, eh? Yeah. Thank you so much, and I hope we win it together. I will see you again. Bye bye.